How to join a team on Zooba. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to join a team in Zooba game, then the first thing to do is to open up the Zooba application on your device, and once you're inside the main homepage or the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab from the top center, and from the Friends tab, look for Join Team option on the left. Now you'll need to go ahead and enter the team code of another player's team in the text box. Go ahead and write down the code that you received and click on the join button. If the code is correct, you'll be able to join a team. After joining, you can participate in events, invite teammates to duo or squad matches, earn rewards together, and much more. So that is how to join a team in Zooba. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.